What's really good, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $160 with only 10 minutes of work. Now, if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $160 plus with only 10 minutes of work. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this method, let me direct you to the description below. If you scroll down to the description below, you're going to see where it says free giveaways. So click on that link and you'll be able to get some free gifts. But first, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So after you subscribe to this channel, scroll down to the description below, click on the link where it says free giveaways, and it's going to take you to this site, and you're going to see the three gifts at the bottom of the website. And that's from me to you guys just for subscribing. Also, I have some other cool stuff in the description below. If you need to get some money right now, there's a link that you can click on down there also in the description. And lastly, if you're struggling to get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, you're going to see that link down there also. Click on that link and that will help you get those views and subscribers real fast. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you know every step you need to take to make this $160 plus. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Float. Now it says here, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. So with Float, you're able to download a photo or video onto their website, and individuals and brands will buy these photos, and you get paid 50% for each photo, 50% of the sale price for each photo or video. So let's scroll down here and just read some more about it. So how it works: simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or picture from your online Float portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. And it also says here, take part in creative video and photo missions from brands and win hundreds of dollars for just one video or picture. So it's this thing called missions. On each mission, they have a price, and you upload your video photo there. If someone buys it, you get 50%. So it says here, get it now. While wait, Float is a great way to turn your videos and pictures into dollars you can spend on buying better equipment and becoming even better video and photographer. Join our community and be inspired by the creativity of over 2.9 million creators. So that's a lot of people on this website. Now here's a video you can check out where it says turning your photos into cash. All right, let's just go up here where it says creator. I'm gonna click on that and go to missions, active missions. Okay, here's your missions. And here's the rewards on the missions. See, as you can see, the reward is 600. And here's one reward, another 600, and another one 600. Now here's one that's 900, where it says Clash of Colors, Plastic Free Living. There's no reward on there. And here's one Jobs and Psychiatric Aid, Rehab Assistant. So they need photos for that. You get $100 for that reward. And see, they have all different type of categories and all different type of missions that you can go ahead and up your photos for and get the reward money. So if you're interested in this, please go to float.com, or you can download the app and go ahead and register and start uploading those photos and start getting that money right now. Now you know the website you can go to right now that will allow you to earn $160 with 10 minutes of work. So go ahead and sign up with that website, start uploading those photos, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please smash that like button and let's get 25 likes, guys. The more likes I get, the more this video will be seen by people on YouTube, because I'm trying to get as many subscribers as I can. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So if this video is seen by more people, that means more potential viewers and more potential subscribers, and that means I will make it to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to give away some more money when that happens, guys, and you could be the lucky one. Just like Corey Jackson, I'm going to shout you out. Go check out Corey Jackson. He makes some good content also. Just like Corey Jackson, I gave him $20 in the last video because when I made it to 500, and he left a comment, and he was leaving comments on a lot of videos, so I rewarded him some money. And I also rewarded Bree Lady Red, because she made a good comment on a video, and I went ahead and gave her some money also. So you could be the lucky one too. So please help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna start giving away this free money to another lucky person, or maybe 2 lucky people. Please drop a comment down below, and please share this on the internet everywhere on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the social media platforms. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. That's it for this video. I'm out of here. Before I go, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.